What's up guys, this is your buddy Deepak here. If you follow this, if you master this skill, which is common among all the top earners of this industry who are making multiple 6 figures, 7 figures, then it can definitely take your business to the next level. So what is this skill that I am talking about? And this skill, this is nothing but becoming an influencer. If you observe all the top earners, they all have this thing in common. They have a lot of influence. They have the ability to influence people's thoughts, people's actions from their own behavior by the value that they provide to the marketplace, by helping people take a moment and analyze the business that you joined. There could be some businesses that you did before in online industry, in internet marketing, and you must have joined with someone else, some of your sponsor. So tell me, just analyze what was that one thing which made you to join that person, or in other words, how you got attracted to that person. Was it because of his skills? Was it because of his results? Or was it because of you felt somewhere that okay, that person can help me to get started and become successful basically. Most of the people, they are fumbling and they need some direction. And by influence, I'm talking about the positive influence, of course, not the negative influence one, because that is not going to help you anyway. If you have the skills, if you have the knowledge, if you have the results that people are looking for, then definitely you can influence the people's thoughts, and basically you can help them to make an informed decision which is best in their interest. So if you want people to join with you, if you want people to do business with you, then same thing applies to you also. You need to come out of your comfort zone. You need to provide value to the marketplace, and that is how you can build an influence in the market. Because if you don't have influence, I would say it's very difficult to make, you will make some money, but if at all you have to make big money, then you have to have big influence. Just look at the few examples, like look at the YouTube channels of all the successful marketers. Look at their Facebook profiles, how many followers they have, how many YouTube subscribers they have, how many people are following them on Instagram. So just by looking at the following, you will get an idea that if in future, if that person decides to promote something, then people are ready, people are willing to join with him and do business with him or her. So that's why influence is so important from my point of view. And you should also take efforts in building your influence online, if at all you are taking this as a long term. Let it be your Facebook profile, YouTube channel, build your YouTube channel, Facebook profile, optimize it, and maybe Instagram, basically social media, build your email list. Then now I'm going to share with you in my next video a simple formula that you can use how to build an influence, how you too can implement this and start building your influence irrespective of whether you are a beginner or you are a pro in this industry and you are already making money, or maybe you are struggling to make money. This will help you to take your game to the next level. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to get notified when my next video comes up about how to build an influence in make money online industry. What do you think? Do you think influence is important? The things that you feel, this is how you have built your influence in the online marketplace. Let me know in the comments section below. I would be happy to read and interact with you all. Thanks a lot for watching this, and stay tuned for my next video where I'll be revealing a practical guide, practical formula to build your influence online. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.